Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use iCloud mail search. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and search for iCloud mail and click on the first link. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now all you need to do in order for you to go ahead and use the search is just click here, and right now I only have one email. However, if you have a lot of email, it just gets hard to find the right email, so all you need to do is just click on search and then search for the keyword that the mail that you're searching for might have, or you could also just search for the username. So for example, if I just write that, as you can see, it searches for sender, which contains that, and subject, which contains of that, and I can simply go ahead and press enter, and there is one which is highlighted, as you can see. So this is about it, what you can do with the search. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.